All right. Welcome to KSI Data Research. In this video, I'm going to talk about the basic Excel, how to use Excel. This is for the beginner level 1. Okay, so let's open the Excel. I can just type over here Excel. Then we have Excel 2016. I just open the Excel 2016. And here you can see all this blank blank page and also template. If you want, you can use many of those template for your use, but we are going to just work with a blank workbook. Okay, so click the blank workbook and it will open the blank workbook. This is complete workbook. Okay, under the workbook we have all the sheets, and under the sheets we have all the cells. Okay, all these cells, these are called cells. So this cells has a name. Each cells has a name. This is like a J8. Okay. So if you also look on the top left side over here, you can see it's a J8. Okay. So these are cells. All right. So let's talk about first the menu bar and toolbar. So over here, these are the home, insert, these are the menu bar. Okay. Under the menu bar, there are all the tools. These are also called ribbon. So this ribbon, you can also customize any one of them. If you wanted to put it in your quick access toolbar, you can do that. So for example, this is a bold. If you right click over here and add to the quick access toolbar, so then you click it, see it comes on the bottom right here. So what is that helps you whenever you are working with the Excel, the item you are use all the time, you can put it in your quick access toolbar. Let's put few of them also over here. Say for example, this one is a conditional formatting. You right click and add to the quick access toolbar. It comes right here. So sometime we go to the insert, and then there is a pivot table. Everybody use pivot table. So if you right click, add to the quick access toolbar, it comes to over here. So in this case, you don't have to look for it. What is the, where it is exactly, you don't have to look for it. It is in your uh, quick access toolbar. Okay. So any of those, you can do it. So let's do one more. Say for example, this recommend chart, you wanted to put it in your quick access toolbar, you can do that. All right, so in this toolbar, you can use so many other things. If you just one of the empty place, you right click, then it will give you all the option right here. Add to the quick access toolbar, customize quick access toolbar, and then show quick access toolbar above the ribbon. So right now is over here. So if I wanted to put above the ribbon, I can just click over here. See, it goes on the top of the ribbon also. Okay. And then also it has a customized ribbon. So customized ribbon means you click over here, it has a lot of items. The item is not in the ribbon. You just highlight it and then add it, and then it will come to the right side. So that it will be added to the toolbar. All right, so what else you can do? Collapse the ribbon. So if you wanted to collapse the ribbon, you can do that. If you click that, it is collapsing right now. Okay, so you can also click the home, and then if you see the pin on the right side, you can pin that, so it will be fixed over here again. All right, so you can do what else you can do. Say for example, this is the formula bar. If you wanted to see the formula bar, or if you do not want to see the formula bar, see, look over here. If you go to the view, and then there are some item over here. Over here is a you can remove this formula bar, you can bring it back. See the all the cells you can remove, you can bring it back. See, if you click over here, and then if you wanted to remove the formula bar, you click over here, see, it's gone. If you remove the headline, you can click over here, it's gone. See, over here, grid line. Grid line means all these cells. If you click over here, grid line, see, now it's a white page, it's gone. So you can customize everything on according to your needs. All right. So I'm just bringing it back everything now. So I come to the home. So what else you wanted to do over here? I think if you also wanted to you can add it or you can also remove. If you right click over here, you can remove all the remove from the quick access toolbar. You can do that as well. Okay. What else? A customized quick access toolbar. I think we already go through that. Customize the ribbon, customize the quick access toolbar. That means this is also you can customize also. Anyway, so we'll go through more of those. So now come to the workbook. So under this workbook, this is the sheet. No, this is the sheet 1 right now. If you see on the bottom, sheet 1, this sheet 1, these are the cells. If you highlight one, all these are column, isn't it? These are column. And if you are click on this side, these are rows. Okay, column and rows. All right. All right. So now let's work with some data. We can write some data over here. If you wanted to write something, we can do that. And also, if you highlight over here, if you write on the formula bar, anything here, KSI. See, if you write in the formula bar, it goes the cell you highlighted, it comes there. Okay, but if now we are just going to copy and paste some of the data in our Excel, and we will work with that. So let's go to the Excel, I think notebook. So we have some data over here. We can copy this data, Control C, and then come over here, pasted any of those cells over here and say Control V. See, you can see all the data right here. So look at here. Sometimes don't get confused when you see this kind of sign. This means is not like any problem. It just you have to fix the cell in order to see all the numbers. So how you can fix all the cell over here? See, some number it's also, if you can bring it like this, you can fix it this way also easily. See, now you can see all the number over here. But best way, when you bring the data, if it is like that, you can highlight from here. See, look on the top, my cursor is on the top of the B. And then if you highlight it like this way, all the things, and then you double click one of those places, See, look, as soon as double click, everything adjust according to the wording, according to the line, it adjusts. Okay, see, now everything is nicely, you can see it. So this is the data. So this data, how we can work with this data nicely, nice looking data. Okay, so now if you, this is the column. So if this is the column, we can do highlight this column and we can make it bold. We can give the background color, and we can change the size of the font. See, now it's looking, getting better. And then also you can highlight everything together. You can highlight, and then you can give some kind of you can also if you wanted to give any kind of border, you can do. See, there are so many different types of border over here. So if you wanted to give all the cells border, you will click on all border. Okay, so if you click all border, now it's looking like a table, but this is not exactly the table. So in order to create a table, I'll show you. We can copy this data and then paste it right here. Control V, see right here. Then again, it is not exactly the same way it's pasted. So you can again highlight it like this way, go over here, and then double click one of those places. It will fix it. Okay. So this data is the same data, but I wanted to make this one is a table. So click inside one of the cell, and then you just go to the insert table, And this is giving you the range of the table. See, this is the range actually giving you. And then you say, okay. See, now as soon as you say, okay, it gives you the, this is become a table now. Okay. So see, you can see, give you the different color also they created. So this is the data, it's just regular data, look like a table, but not table. This is the one is a table. As soon as I create a table, it gives you the filter option. Okay, it's giving the all filter option over here. You can see all the column name over here. We'll come back over here also. So what else we can do over here? We can insert any row or column, we can do that. If you click over here, and then if you right click over here and then say insert, it will give you the column over here. Okay, so if you just Control Z, it will go back. Control Z will go back. Similarly, if you click over here and right click insert, it will give you the insert row. It giving all the way insert row. Control Z will bring it back. Okay. All right. So now what we wanted to do over here, we wanted to do some kind of aggregation now. Okay. So in this table, in this data, from this data, we wanted to do all kind of aggregation. So what are the common aggregation we do? See, look, if you come on the top, under the auto sum, if you click over here, you can see these are the aggregation, the common aggregation. It shows right here: sum, average, count, max, minimum. We can do all this aggregation. These are the most common aggregation we use. So let's do it. How we can do it? If I wanted to make it sum of on this lab, on this net sales. Okay, so in this net sales, I wanted to do sum, max, minimum, average, everything from net sale. So let's start writing few of them. So total net sales. We'll do the total net sales. We'll do the average net sales. We'll do the highest net sale. We'll do also lowest net sale. Also, we'll do the total count. We'll do also total count. Okay, so total counts. Okay, so how we can do all of them? So it is very simple. Any formula we start to write, you need to remember that we have to start with equal sign. Okay, so you put the equal sign first. So that means we are ready to write the formula. Okay, so now if I wanted to do the make a aggregation, all the sum of these net sales, we have to use right sum, SUM sum, and then you can put the tab. If you put the tab, you're ready to use all these items. So now you highlight it like this way. If you highlighted all of them and then without closing, you just say enter, it will give you the total value. Okay, see, simply is that. Or when you double click on top of it, it will give you the formula. You can see what kind of formula you have used. See, look, I'm clicking double click. As soon as I double click, it give you the formula. It is equal sum and then the range I have used over here. All right. So this is a sum. So how I can escape from here? I can click outside or I can click the escape. That will come out from the formula. So let's do the average. Again, you have to click the equal sign. You start to write average AV. As soon as you try to write average, you can see the second one is showing over here. You can double click over here. That will also give you to use the formula. All right, so then you can simply again come over here and highlighted everything. And if you wanted to close the bracket, you can do that and then say enter. That will give you the average. High net sales, the highest one. So highest one we use the equal sign again. You have to write the max. Max is the highest one. This is the formula. You can use like this, and then you can highlight from here. That will give you the max item. All right. So similarly, lowest, I think you now understand. If you just have max minimum, so I have to write mean, and then I highlighted everything here, and then insert it will. I did something wrong. So let's click over here. I have to put the formula like this and highlight everything and then insert. It will give you the lowest one. So this is highest value from here. This is lowest value and then total count. So you can write equal count and then put the bracket and then you come over here and then enter. It will give you the total count. Total count is Y is 19, count, it is 19 of them. All right, so 1, 2, here is 19. All right, so this is total count. Okay, so now you can also highlight it like this and give the different color if you want. Okay, so if you wanted to give the color, so if you wanted to just up to here, you want to give a different color, and then if you wanted to give a different color, you can do that also. All right, so all right, so what else we can do over here? See, these are the value. We can delete it, and then we can use very simple way also. We can do it by just using the auto sum. Okay? So if you just come over here, we wanted to do auto sum here. So look at here, the total net sale. I just highlighted the sale. We come over here, and then you click the sum. Click the sum. You see, it will automatically give you the equal sum and bracket. Everything is done. You just highlight it from here to here and then enter and you get the value. Same value you'll get. So everything you can use easily from this auto sum, this uh, formula over here. They give you this function. We just have to use it. Okay, so you can fill up all of them. So let's do the count. Last one equal. I mean, you don't have to do anything, just highlight it and then come over here and then say count number. You can click count number. So then you highlight it from here to here. So it is 19. All right. So that's, and you can fill up on the middle also. All right. So this how you can do. Similarly, you can do the same thing over here, but I will not do that. So what else we can do over here? Let's talk about something about the sheet about how this is the first sheet we are using. No, so if you come over here and right click on this sheet and you can rename it. Okay, you can rename it. You can give the data uh, 01. See, this is the sheet 1. We give the name data 01. You can also add it more sheet, just clicking the plus sign, plus 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 3 more sheet. We just total 4 sheet right here. Okay, so you can right click and rename of them. Data 02. All right, see, you can do that. So now you can hold this and you can bring it to the before, and you can bring it to the before in like that. You can move around all this sheet also. All right, you can right click and then color them also. If you look over here, if you wanted to color them, you can color them also. You can different color, you can do that. So if you click this, two, and then see if you color them. Okay. All right. So so also you can hide them. See 3 and 4, we wanted to hide. We can just right click and hide them also. See, it's gone. You can hide them also. So hide them means hide them means it's not completely gone. You can right click and unhide, so it will come back again. See the sheet over here is showing. You can bring it back also. All right. So it is all kind of modification you can do it with this. Okay. So let's come back to our sheet over here. What else we wanted to do to show you over here? Yeah, let's do some sorting. How we can do the sorting? So this is the data we over here. There is a north, middle, northwest over here. All the data we wanted to do, only we wanted to do the north from this data. So what we can do, we can click one of those places, or we can go to the sort and filter over here, and we can click the filter. As soon as we click the filter, you can see it is come all the filter arrow button over here. Okay, so from here we can sort our data. Okay, filter our data. So how we can filter? Look over here. We can come over here. It says middle, northwest. We can click the one is select all. First, we will unselect everything. So once you unselect everything, then after that, the one you need, you can click on this one. Okay, so just add the middle one. Say, okay, see now you can see only we have the middle data. Okay, so we will be able to sort the way you want. Okay, so here is the clear filter from region. So if you click on it, will clear everything. Okay, similarly, if you wanted to any kind of value, you can do that. Similarly, all the value over here, you can sort it by the value also. These are the sorting. Okay, so also here is all the names you can see here. You can unselect first, and then you wanted to have three of those people's information. So you just say okay. So you will get all this, only those three people's name over here. You can filter. Okay, so these are the filter. You can do that. Once your filter is done, you can also click over here. So filter button will go away. See, if you say clear filter, see if you clear, it will clear. But if you wanted to remove the filter, you can click over here. See, the filter is gone. Okay, so clear filter means it will bring it back all the data again. All right, so this is the filter. How about sorting? Sorting is similarly, if you go back again and then click the filter. Once you have a filter, you can from here you can also sort the data. Okay, so if you click over here, see, look, sort smaller to large. If you click smaller to large, it will give you all the value from smaller to large. Is this showing exactly smaller to large? Yes. If you see, look carefully, it is giving you smaller to large. Similarly, it is also, see, look, the sign also change over here. See, it is showing arrow. So that is something you can look through the filter, and then you can see the sign. So sorting large to small, you can do that. See, this is a sorting in this one profit loss. It is large to small. Everything is, if you pay attention, from the large to small way, it is sorting. All right. So you can do the filter, you can do the sorting, and you can modify the table the way you want. Okay. All right. So now we go back again, sort and filter, and you clear the filter, or you can just click the filter button will go away. All right. Similarly, on the tables, same thing. If you highlight over here, and if you remove the filter, it will remove the filter also from the real table. So you can modify the way you want. Okay. All right. All right. So what else we wanted to show over here? I think I will stop here for this for this video. From the next level 2, we'll go through again all the basics, and we'll talk more about in the video 2. All right. So thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks. Bye.